BGK series high-efficiency film coater with perforated drum. BGK series high-efficiency film coater is mechanical and electrical integrated equipment designed with PLC frequency conversion technology. It is one necessary equipment for solid dosage production procedure and widely used in pharmaceutical industry, chemical, foodstuff industry, etc. for high-efficiency coating tablets, pellets, candies, and etc. This equipment is combined with host machine, air handling unit, air out system, WIP, binding spring system, discharging system, which optimize the technological process, reduce label strength, and effectively control powder dust or cross pollution. BGK series roll compactor complied entirely with GMP and FDA requirements for medicine production. Charge tablets cored by farmer lifter to rotary coating drum of coater. Start mixing and spray atomized coating materials uniformly on tablet's core. Blow hot wind meanwhile to dry it. Do this process repeatedly to get a smooth and fine film coverage on the surface of plain tablets. After film coating, fix with automatic discharging device. Transport coated tablets to farmer beam and coating process finished. After finishing, this equipment will automatically run WIP system, starting with tap water, then detergent, finally pure water, which all pressurized by pump, and washing as the settled process through pipes into rotary coating drum. Upon finishing, open the water drain valve to exhausting water. Then process to hot wind drying. Cool wind is brought in by draught fan, heated by the heat exchanger, and then to the filter. Finally blow into the rotary coating drum and drained by the sided outlet ports. The equipment stops working after the drying step.